calculating some monster-sized math problems. A 5th grade class at Red Cedar Elementary School is thinking outside the box as they combine their art and math skills to create these cardboard monsters. Once the math monsters were complete, the real challenge began. Using geometry, the students calculated the cubic feet, surface area, and more of their creations.
We have to figure out the volume, which is the space inside of our entire monster, and then we have to find out the surface area, which is do length times your width, and then you find out how much, not the inside of your box, the outside of your box is.
I used a tape measure to do the arms, and then I did the legs, and then I did all the body parts, and then I just added them all together.
I'm going to do the length and the width and then multiply that by the height and just go over it to check through my work.
The students had lots of fun using paint, cardboard, and creativity to bring their unique monsters to life.
I was watching a football game the other day, and I thought, wouldn't it be a great idea to combine my two favorite things, football and math? So I decided to make a zombie Sauce Gardner. His hair is actually made out of turf, and I have a Gatorade bottle coming through his heart, and the blood that's dripping down is actually red paint, a little bit of water, and some Gorilla Glue.
I made a bokoblin. It's from one of my favorite video games. There was a lot of cutting, and for the nose, I made it out of Play-Doh.
I made Sarah Sanderson from Hocus Pocus 2, and I made her because me and my friends all wanted to do a trio. I used cardboard boxes for the structure, and then I put fabric as the hair and cloak.
This hands-on math monster project is a fun and interactive activity designed to help the students better understand math concepts.
I think it helps you remember those math formulas because you just get it buried in your head in a creative way instead of just a boring thing that you're not engaging well.
We get to go out and do something fun and do the math for it just the same you do with paper, but it's more engaging.
All the math monsters are on display in the library so the entire school can check out the creativity and hard work that went into this project. At Red Cedar Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.